Welcome to another iHusbandry instruction video. The iHusbandry shop is available from the guest menu. The shop sells a number of products to support enterprises engaged in animal husbandry activities. The shop has a grid interface with search and action buttons. The simple search facility can be used to find products of interest. See the grid instruction video for details of the facilities provided by the View, Refresh and Help buttons. The video button provides access to a video showing details of the selected product and in some cases instructions for using the product. The Add to Cart button puts the selected product into a shopping cart. The Show Cart button provides a view of the products currently in the shopping cart. The shopping cart also has a grid interface with a number of action buttons. The Edit button allows the quantity to be changed. There is the normal grid view and help buttons. The Delete button allows the selected product to be removed from the shopping cart. Once the shopping cart contains the required products, the Checkout button can be clicked. The Checkout facility requires a customer ID and password to be entered. Returning customers can edit their details, including changing their delivery address. New customers can create an account by entering their details. The customer email address is important for communication and forgotten password purposes. The shopping cart customer grid interface provides Edit, View, Help and Continue checkout buttons. Click the orange navigation header to abort the checkout. Clicking the Continue Checkout button shows a pro forma invoice from which the customer can cancel the order or click the Pay Now button. Clicking the Pay Now button shows a form asking for credit or debit card details. The card details are not retained by the shop facility and thus must be entered for each purchase. The customer can click the Abort button or decide to click the Pay button to complete the purchase, at which time a tax invoice receipt form is provided for downloading and printing. Normally, the products purchased are dispatched no later than the day after purchase. The Customer button on the products grid after authentication allows new customers to open an account and existing customers to change their details. The Products Customer Grid Interface Invoices button shows the Invoices Grid interface from which existing invoices can be displayed and downloaded for printing.